Hi, hello. So we have this equation, um, and the first things that we have to do is to find the basis to number 20. Now I can write 20 like that. 20 divided with 1 is 20, but I decide, to do something that, can train our brain. And before that, I decide to write 14 divided with 2. Now 14 divided with 2 is 20. So that's what I would like to write here. So here I'm gonna write 14 divided with 2. Okay, so let's begin. So the first thing that I have to do is to find a basis for this number, and the only number that I will be able to divide all of those numbers, that's going to be 12. And let's begin in our journey. So 3x divided with 12, it's 4. It's going to be 4x. Now I would like to write 4x multiplied with 9 with any multiplied symbol, and that is just to make sure that we will not confuse. And because of that, I'm gonna write 4 multiplied to 9 like that. I mean 4x multiplied to 9 like that. Plus 12 divided with 4 is 3. So that's going to be 3 multiplied to 2x plus 8 will be equal to 2 divided with 12 divided with 2 is 6. So 6 multiplied to 14, I write like that, as I told you. And finally we have 12 divided with 2. So I can write so 12 divided with 2 is 6 multiplied to x. Okay, so so 4 multiplied to 9, it's going to be 36x. I'm usually, I would like to write it like that, so plus 36x okay, so I have plus 36 are going to that way. uh, 3 multiplied to 2, that's going to be plus 6x, also going to that way, also going to the left way, and 3 multiplied with 8, that's going to be plus 24, going to that way, going to the right way, because number, all just the number go to right way, and you know, the number with the letter go all the way left way. Okay, so that will be equal to 6 multiplied to 14 is is 214, 214, going to that way. And finally we have plus 6x going to that way. So plus 36 plus 6x. I have to change the force of plus 6x because everything after the equation when it's supposed to everything before the equation. Because of that we also have here negative 6x. It says it only 30x because plus with negative is 0. Okay, so we do also have equal to negative 24 because it's written before the equation and it's supposed to be written before the equation, and because of that I also changed the force of 24 as the same way I choose the force of plus 6 to negative 6. Okay, and finally the number of plus the number of 214, the plus 214, I'm not going to change its form because of writing after the equation when it's supposed to be of writing. So plus 240. Okay. So, you know, we do have here x and now negative 24 plus 214, that will be equal to 216. And now 216 divided with 36, that will be equal to 6. And that says that x equal to 6, and that is how I was solve this puzzle. Now I would like to make sure, that that x really equals to 6. And because of that, here was 20 and here was 3x, so uh, 3 multiplied to 6. I mean, would it have to be like that? Yes. So, 3 multiplied to 6 plus 2 multiplied to 6 plus 8, all of the divides with 4, and all of that equal to 23. Now, if this, if the, the equation after, if the fraction after the equation will be equal to 23, that says that x really equal to 6. So let's see if 23, so 20, I have to do it like that, 20 plus 6 and 2. This also have to will be equal to 23. I think it's equal to 23 because 6 divided with 2 is 3, and 20 plus 3 is 23. Let's see. Yes, and the calculation also says that 23 is the correct answer, but not 23. 6. X equal to 6. X equal to 6. That is the correct answer, and that says that I was, solving this puzzle correctly.